Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GCash app authentication failed. So the main fixes for GCash authentication failed is to simply check the reason for failure. GCash may deny verification due to selfie scan error, ID validation error, wrong or missing documents, or existing open support ticket. Make sure your selfie is taken in a well-lit environment and keep your face clear and unobstructed during the scan. Also, double check that your ID is valid, clear, and match your detail. You can go ahead and re-upload if needed with the correct documentation, just like that. If GCash asks for more documents and you submitted the wrong ones, that can block progress, so wait for 24 hours after resubmitting the correct files, and if rejected, you can simply try the process again after recoloring them, and just like that, you will then be to fix the app authentication failed error, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.